Hi everyone! Welcome again to my channel. This is Aika and for today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng Ube Halaya or Ube Jam. Actually, ginawa ko na to before, but this time we will make it very simple. Hindi tayo gagamit ng coconut milk. Hugasan natin maigi yung ube. Then I will cut this in few pieces para kumasya sa pot. We will boil the ube for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are soft and tender. Just add enough water to cover the ube so we could cook them evenly. Guys, may tip nga pala ako sa inyo. When buying ube, choose the darkest ube na makita ninyo to make a pretty purple color to your recipe. We may now start peeling the purple yam or ube. Despite its softness, it is actually very thin. Peel only until you remove the tough brown layer. I am going to cut this into small cubes kasi gagamit ako ng blender. However, kapag grater yung gagamitin mo, mas maganda kung medyo malalaki yung cut niya para hindi ka mahirapan. Guys, nagsistain yung ube ha, so to avoid, you can use gloves when peeling and immediately wash your chopping board. Out of 2 kilos sa ube natin, after nating i-boil and i-peel, 1 and 1/2 kilo na lang natira. Kung gagamit ka ng blender, just make sure to put enough slices and add evaporated milk para hindi mahirapan yung blender natin. Aside from using a blender, there are other ways to mash our ube. Since 1 and 1/2 kilo of ube ang ginamit natin ngayon, gumamit ako ng 2 cans of evaporated milk. I will be using a non-stick pan para sa pagluto ng ube jam or purple yam. But if you are going to use a stainless or a non-stick pan, dapat maglagay muna tayo ng butter bago natin ilagay yung ube to make sure na hindi siya didikit. Dapat naka-low flame lang tayo dito and stir constantly. For the butter, kung nakapaglagay na kayo kanina bago nyo ilagay yung ube, hindi nyo na kailangan maglagay ulit. The butter gives a shiny texture to the Ube Halaya or Ube Jam. Yung iba, they add artificial food color para mas tumingkad pa yung kulay ng ube. You may also put a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence to add flavor. Gumamit ako dito ng 3/4 cup of sugar. However, if you want a sweeter taste, you can always add more. After adding all the ingredients, please make sure na haluin natin itong maigi until well combined. You will know if the Ube Halaya or Ube Jam is ready when all the ingredients are absorbed by the ube. The mixture becomes nice and thick. I think ready na yung halaya natin or Ube Jam. I cooked this for exactly 45 minutes. Guys, with this recipe, we can make several desserts out of it. Please check my other videos on how I make ice cream. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box para madali po ninyong makita. We can also make Ube Decadence or Panna Cotta out of the Ube Halaya na ginawa natin. Please check my other videos on how I made it. Or if you want it simple, you can just serve it plain or you may add grated cheese on top. Actually, nagawa ko na lahat to sa previous videos ko. Lalagay ko na lang lahat ng links sa description box. And that's all for today's video. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang recipe natin for today. And if you enjoyed this video and you have learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button para naman ma-notify ka sa mga susunod na recipes na i-upload ko. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. Until my next video, stay safe everyone. God bless and bye!